Good day, my little robins. It's me, Beth. Another week has passed, which means you get another video from me here on this channel. And if you haven't already read the title, well, yes, I am not doing your typical music review or reaction. I am doing an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing the YumeTwins June 2020 box. Yes, you heard me, June 2020, and we're in August. Before we begin, if you want to support me and the channel in the future, you can by clicking like to show me some love. You can click subscribe and tap that bell to be notified of when I upload on this channel. Enough rambling, let's just dive straight into this unboxing. For those of you that are unaware, YumeTwins is a monthly kawaii Japanese subscription box. I get it on a monthly basis, which allows me to skip certain months, and as I said in the introduction, this is June. Yes, I'm filming this in August. Because of COVID, there have been some serious delay issues, and I literally only received this last week after contacting. I'm still waiting for my July box. I skipped August because I was like, if I'm not going to get my June and July, why would I pay money for August? And September is on its way as well, so yeah, it's just self-explanatory. It's a subscription box. If you haven't watched any of these type of unboxings on YouTube, it's full of goodies. There's a certain theme for the month. Because I ordered this box in May, I honestly can't remember the theme, so let's just open it. I've already cut the seal off camera because I didn't want the chance of showing my address where I live. So yeah, let's just dive straight into this YumeTwins June unboxing. Okay, the box is open, it's cute. It's my favourite colours, it's like purple and like turquoise. First thing is a little booklet which states the theme. This is the GHIBLI Night In. And I actually vaguely remember seeing this on Instagram and being like, I am obsessed with Ghibli films, so I must have this box in my life. Okay, it's just got some information on the company and what's inside. It's probably self-explanatory what's inside, but I guess if you get, because I know they also have a Japanese like sweet treat box, which I guess you would need the translations. Okay, you actually get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Let's see what they are. Okay, well, first thing is the Kiki's delivery service container. That's actually pretty big. It looks like it's 2 containers in one, so there's like, you can't really see. I'm going to try and get it out of the packaging. Let me get some scissors off screen. Yeah, it just says it's a seal box. And now, Kiki's delivery service, it's actually one of the more recent Ghiblis that I've watched, and I love the little black cat in it, so probably shouldn't be talking over this, but let's see what... Yeah, well, I just lost the box off screen, so let me retrieve that. Okay, I retrieved the lid. So like the top lid is pink, Kiki's delivery service, then the second one is yellow with like the same, and it's just 2 Tupperware boxes, and they're actually reasonably sized, which actually really impresses me. And this already tells me that this box is worth its value, because recently in one of my shops where I buy my manga and all my anime stuff, they've actually got in the Kiki delivery service, like, not stationery range, but there's like a water bottle, there's lunch boxes, and I think something along this line probably retails for like £20 to £25, so this box alone already pays for the subscription. This is really cute. I'm actually going to use it for my pack lunch when I go to work. Let's move on to the next item. Next up we have a Totoro bamboo toothbrush, because brushing your teeth is good for you, and I've actually never owned a bamboo toothbrush. I don't know if it's meant to be better for the environment. It's just cute because it says, like, you can't really see on screen, My Neighbor Totoro, Studio Ghibli at the bottom. Okay, that's actually kind of cute and kind of like a novel thing to put in a subscription box. I might use this. Up next is a postcard. There were like 5 to 6, and they're all like little scenes from Ghibli films, and well, I got Kiki's delivery service. The way it was shown on the advertisement kind of made you think you got all 6 postcards, so the fact I only got 1 postcard, it's cute. I'll put it somewhere on the wall, but from the way it was advertised, I thought I would get more than 1. It's a cute little collector's thing. Up next is a My Neighbor Totoro like clear file, I kind of used these in high school when I was like keeping like my papers organised for classes, I haven't actually really had to use it since I graduated university, so it's kind of cute. You know, it's one of my favourite scenes from the films when they're standing at the bus stop. If I turned and I saw him at the bus stop, I would be like, oh, you're so cute but terrifying at the same time. It's a nice little collector's piece, so I might not use it, I might just keep it for show and tell, or even like stick it up on the wall. Let's move on to the final item in the box. And the final item in the box, as it says in the little booklet, is a GHIBLI handbag. I really wouldn't say this is like a handbag size, I would say it's more like a purse. It's actually really good fabric, and I guess it extends outwards, so okay, it's actually pretty impressive. It might fit the lunch boxes in, so I could maybe use it as a lunch bag for work. But yeah, it came in apparently 2 designs, so you either got the Totoro or the Gigi, which is the cat from Kiki's Delivery Service, and I'm so happy I got like Totoro because it's the first film of theirs I ever watched. I am obsessed, and I actually do have quite a bit of his merch surrounding me, so I'm actually really happy. Let's see if it's like any bigger on the inside. I zipped it shut. Okay, it's actually pretty spacey on the inside, but I would definitely not say it's a handbag, it's more of like a side purse, but really good quality. I'll say this about all the items in the box, they are really high quality. And then like you've got the box, like I said, showed already earlier, it's just purple, blue, it's cute, it's kawaii. I'm actually really happy this arrived because I was really looking forward to the box, and the only reason I've got a July box and a September box coming is because I keep forgetting to like get rid of my subscription. So if you do get YumeTwins and like you do the monthly subscription like me, the way it's worded when you first do it, it makes it sound like you're only going to get a month. But you've got to delete it, otherwise they will keep charging you. But I'm happy with what I got in my first box, so yeah, that's just my YumeTwins unboxing June 2020. I hope you guys liked it. It's something different on the channel. In the comments below, if you guys have watched any Studio Ghibli films, tell me your favourites and let's start a conversation. If you've had this subscription box before, then, you know, tell me some of your favourite items from the past, or if you had this box like me. Yeah, let's just wrap up before I start rambling. If you want to support me and the channel in the future, you can by clicking a like to show me some love. You can click subscribe and tap that bell to be notified of when I upload on this channel. Ooh, at the end of this video you can check out my last 2 videos or playlist, depending on what mood I'm in when I'm editing. Even though it's warm, I had a chill run down my spine, that's what that was. Yeah, until next time, I'm Beth, goodbye.